So I had to break out my ironworking skills today. I rigged this up, put 2 rigs on it so that way I could get it from the bottom of the ground, and I just re-rigged it as I went up. So I used my ironworking skills. Just wanted to give you a small update. So we up here, I'm actually about to take this rigging down because I'm done. I got everything where I need it now. And I think when you're doing this, it's good to have, you know, all my good iron workers know it's good to have a fall safe when you're rigging. So that way, if anything happens, you have another bite on it, you know what I mean? And then you're just gonna hit the ground. So you got to use what you got. That's what I did today, did some rigging, giving y'all a small update. Getting my hog on this evening, about to get ready to wrap it up. Supposed to have some help today, but you know how it is. It is what it is. HogOn.